Hi guys, and welcome back to Drinks with Goody Drinks with Goody Drinks. Today's video is going to be an ocean floor margarita tutorial. So if you want to see how I made this drink, keep watching. Okay, you guys. So step one, the ocean floor is you're going to need a jug or mason jar, whatever you want to call it. I got this from the dollar store for $1. Y'all know I'm a cheap hoe. So $1. And then I got some coconut flakes from Kroger for 99¢. And you're going to need, well, usually you use a lime for this, but I forgot that I needed a lime. So right now I'm just going to use an orange. And basically you're just going to rim the glass. You're just going to go around, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then you're just going to put it in here. And you're going to go around. And you don't have to do this, but people just do it because it makes the drink look pretty in pictures or just pretty in general. So you're just going to go around the jar with your coconut flakes, and then you're going to dust it off. So it's going to look like this around. Now, if you don't like coconut, like I don't like coconut, but I feel like it's going to look prettier. I'm calling it ocean floor, it's all islandy, you know how coconut is associated with the ocean and stuff. So you don't have to use this. You can use sand and sugar. You can use whatever you want, but today we're going to use coconut. Next, we're going to add 1 shot of pineapple rum, 1 shot of coconut rum, 1 shot of Sky Vodka, I'm going to add some orange juice. We're going to add some pineapple juice as well. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to shake it up. You got to shake it up. Shake it up. I remember that song from, that show from Disney Channel? When Zendaya and Bella Thorne. The only person who got a career now is Zendaya, because Bella Thorne, she was tripping. Anyway, I'm going to shake it up. And then you're going to grab your jar. Well, actually, no. What you're going to do is, before you pour this in, you're going to grab some ice first. So you're going to grab some ice, but you're going to put some in, not a lot, because your bottle is going to go in next. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your Seagrams bottle, and you're going to grab your little mixer, and you're just going to pour it in. Ooh, my whole top came off. So you're just going to pour it in. You don't want to fill it up all the way because the bottle is going to be so big. That's going to make it overflow. Okay, so guys, so once you add the ice and the orange juice and the pineapples and all your juices, what I did was I just added some blue curacao, and I just topped it on the top. On the top. I just put it on the top because I wanted to look, you know, two-tone. So next, what you're going to do is you're going to add your Seagrams. Now, you're going to leave the cap open because if you don't, it's going to overflow. So I do have a video of what happens when you don't put the top on. It's going to overflow, and then you're going to have drink everywhere. So, I'm going to go like this. And this is how it will look. And it's a really simple and easy drink. It takes about 5 minutes to make. Make sure when you're making this drink, make sure you leave the cap on. If you don't, it's going to be a mess. I'm going to show you the fail that happened when I did not take my own advice. I had all kind of stuff everywhere. Tilt it in like that. You see why I said don't overflow it, because it's gonna go straight to the top. But you know, accidents happen. But anyways, this is how you make a Seagrams margarita. Whew. This is what they don't show y'all in the drink videos, the fails that you get, but it still looks pretty nice and it still looks pretty good. It looks like, you know, some tropical type of drink. I'm gonna delete that video. And after trials and tribulations, you guys, because this drink right here, it spilled. I had to clean up. I had to do a whole bunch of stuff because I didn't do, you know, what I was supposed to do with the drink. I was supposed to leave the top on, but I was like, well, maybe if I take the you know, the little bottle off, it won't overflow. Wrong. It spilled everywhere. So after trials and tribulations of making this drink, I bring to you Ocean Floor. Doesn't it look cute, you guys? It look real cute. It look real beautiful. It look like something you get in Miami and they charge you like $12 for it, but you can make this drink for like $6 because this is $1. This jug is $1. Orange juice, you can get some for $1. You can get some cheap vodka for $1. But you can really make this for like $6. But anyway, here is what I call Ocean Floor. I hope you guys like it. And guys, thank you guys for watching and make sure you like and subscribe.